I'm being sucked through the fucking wall. Are you fucking kidding me?
I was about to make a glory hole joke. You are better men than me.
Blowing up. There we go.
Me when I blow up. By the premise of the second game, you bought the first one. It sounds about right.
Funny. I feel like yeah, it's. I mean, the idea of the game is pretty similar. A lot of core systems are pretty similar. What I like, this game is like actually single player viable. Like you can play this game alone. Story? I don't know.
Yes, the restroom.
Restroom. The room for rest.
Technically, you know, it's room for resting.
We're just bullying
Check
this
some,
guy.
I guess.
We're bullying him.
Okay, let's see. Sunblade! Oh, dibs, that's my thing!
Can we die again?
Okay, I mean, pick.
No longer one shot shit if you.
Oh, wait, what? No, I see.
Fucking second! Ouch! Please! Please! We have 2 reinforcements left. This is not funny.
Wait, don't start telly, please. Where the fuck? Dude, I saw this drone and then I completely developed dementia and I have no idea what the fucking drone is. Yeah? What did you put it on? You fucking, we had radars!
Cut off. Shut the fuck up. Oh my god, please stop it. Oh no, it's not gonna stop.
Team Titans, also everybody's first Goth GF awakening because Raven.
True! Oh my fucking god, he's spitting straight fucks.
I'm trying to.
Does any of you
I am streaming. I'm streaming.
Bro.
I'm streaming.
Me, Lamar. Stop this fucker! Oh my god!
I mean,
Ah!
Timothy's saying for democracy.
1 second! God fucking
I don't want it. I have 3 teddy bears, and I need
yeah.
it. I need it for the
Teddy
sun.
bears. Keep the teddy bears.
I like my teddy bears. Mr. Bean taught me that teddy bears are important.
Actually, base.
And then there's that one time that my dog just fucking maimed one. Maimed it.
Nice.
My sister had a teddy bear, like the actual Mr. Bean teddy bear, and then it got fucking mauled. I want pictures of Spider-Man.
You're not.
that's the best part.
Me and Hammy are roughly. No, you're faster. Never mind.
You're too
Let's fucking go!
bloodshot.
Dropped in the.
Well, fucking, I got none of my shipping forms. I had 2 of those bastards.
It's Hatsune Miku.
Fucking disgusting.
I may die here.
Yeah, I'm coming over.
I
Yeah,
may
yeah.
die here.
You are dying here. That's a lot of chimeras.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Oh, good idea. Wait, that might be a good idea. Watch this. Boom.
You idiot! The candy has to fucking resist.
97. Oh, Hammy.
No.
He's gonna die. It's still burning. Do you see those stacks?
Yeah. Just
Yeah.
use you.
Use cube.
Just
Okay,
run in.
Run in.
Stop being like a bitch.
Alright, now dodge. Run. Now be a bitch. Just.
I think he's dead.
No. I'm alive.
Alright, jumper, get the fuck out. Over
Oh,
here.
healing gun. That's fine. Maybe I should have killed the enemies first.
Maybe.
How
Instead
much
of.
do you plan to take in the fucking face? You took 2 rockets in the fucking face! Oh my god!
I mean, okay, like, everyone sucks, yes, but like, they are really fucking bad if it comes to propaganda. Because everybody has such a shit conditions that nobody believes it.
We know, like, everybody in this game believes it.
Well,
Yeah, literally every single human being.
probably Helldiver doesn't have a fucking Necromunda when they are making corpse starch, and this is only for
Yeah,
the
corpse
main.
starch, yeah.
Problem is that the commoners are like 99% of Necrons, so, well...
Yeah, so that means the top 1% or 5% are like the officers and shit get actual fucking semblance. An actual personality at least. Wow, fucking rooted.
I'm jumping.
Hold on, I'm gonna try trigger my thing. It's not triggering. What happened? You were saying...
He was wrong. I'm that good at the video game.
Oh yay! I survived! LMA... Oh, I didn't get blood.
I can't be dead. Oh yeah, it doesn't matter. Yeah,
Doesn't matter for you, you got your Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man! Threat or menace. Nice! Well, I want pictures of Spider-Man, I didn't mean his OnlyFans.
God damn it, I know these are good picks, but what the fuck? Depends if Techilix is up for it.
For Risk of Rain? Not really, man, I'll be honest, like... You see how often I sit on a fucking, you know, like call with you because the schedule is fucked, so basically it will end up in me playing Risk of Rain once and never playing it again.
Sammy, press skip, goddammit! So, Deep Rock, I guess?
It's always happening.